Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, back again with yet another interesting and exciting recipe for this Christmas season. Very simple yet delicious banana and walnut cake. And friends, if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and exciting recipes that I upload every week. So let's get started. So here I am taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To this I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a little of allspice powder. This has a very unique flavor, friends. If you have, please do add. And here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix all the dry ingredients well and keep them aside. And friends, if you have not soaked your fruits for your Christmas cake, then I'm giving you a link in the description. Do watch my fruit soaking recipe. Now here I am taking well-ripe 5 bananas. If you are using the bigger size bananas, then you use 4 of them. But just ensure that you used very ripe bananas, as they are very sweet as well. To this I am adding 3/4 cup of sugar. You may add a little extra or less depending upon your sweetness. We basically do not prefer very sweet. To this I am adding 1/2 cup of unflavored oil. You can use melted butter as well. Now I'll blend this till it turns smooth and homogeneous. And here it's ready. Transfer it into a large bowl so that it becomes easy to mix your ingredients well. You can see the consistency. Now to this, sieve in the dry ingredients in batches so that air gets incorporated in it. And mix it with a very light hand with a cut and fold method. Now to this add 1/4 cup of milk to adjust the consistency. Do not add extra milk at one go. Add a tablespoon of milk as required. Now to this I am adding here 2 tablespoons of molasses. Now to this I am adding 2 tablespoons of amaretto liqueur. This will add the perfect Christmassy flavor to this cake. This is totally optional, but it makes your cake super delicious, aromatic and boozy. Now mix all these ingredients. And now here I have about 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Give them also a quick mix with a very light hand. I have here a loaf tin which I have greased and lined with baking sheet. Pour in your batter to half of the level and level it. Now garnish this generously with walnuts, and to make it more impressive, I am also adding in some choco chips. You can add the choco chips in the mix in the batter as well, but I just preferred to use it here. Give it a quick tap. And this goes into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for till the skewer comes out clean. And my cake is ready here. Isn't it looking very delicious, friends? And the aroma that is wafting from this cake is really very festive, friends. Do try this recipe at your home with your family this festive season and enjoy with your family and friends. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section how your cake turned out. Isn't this looking so delicious? Let it cool down completely before you slice the cake. Best cut the next day. Always ensure that you use a serrated knife to cut your fruit cakes. And you can see how spongy, soft, delicious, moist and decadent, full of walnuts and bananas, healthy and delicious too. Do try this cake during this Christmas season and enjoy with your family and friends. See you next week with yet another interesting and exciting recipe that I will upload next week. Thank you for watching. God bless you.